Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study the differential equation of first order and first degree. The differential equation of first order and first degree are equations soluble by separation of variables, means variable separable method. Second, homogeneous equation method. Third, linear equation of first order. And fourth is exact differential equation. Now let's come to first variable separable method. In this method, the differential equation is written in the form f of phi d of dy is equals to phi of x dx. Now working rule, separate the variables f of phi. Since in the linear equation of first order, we separate the variables of y terms on left hand side and x terms on right hand side. Now next, integrate step second, integrate on both sides. On integration, whatever we get, we add a arbitrary constant on right hand side of the term. Let us take one example related to it. Solve dy by dx is equals to x log x plus 1 upon sin y plus y cos y. Solution. Dy by dx is equals to x 2 log x plus 1 upon sin y plus y cos y. Separating, now our first step is separating the variables. Separate the variables. We get sin y, the term of y goes on left hand side and the term of x goes on right hand side. So this term goes on left hand side and dx goes on right hand side. Dx. So that we get sin y plus y cos y dy is equals to x 2 log x plus 1 dx. Now integrate on our second step. Our second step is integrate on both sides. So we integrate the equation first on both sides. We get integration of sin y plus y integration of y cos y dy is equals to integration of x 2x log x plus integration of x dx. We get, since integration of sin y is minus cos y, and integration of, here we have two terms y and cos y. So we integrate this by using the formula of ILATE. We know that what is ILATE? ILATE is nothing but integration of logarithmic function, algebraic function, then trigonometric function, then exponential function. This is nothing but a sequence of integration is given here, in which we have to give the preference for first logarithmic function, second algebraic function, third trigonometric, and fourth is exponential function. Here we have given two terms, y and cos y. We give first preference to which function? According to this, we give first preference to algebraic function, then trigonometric function. Therefore, our first function is y and second is cos y. Now we apply integration by parts here. What is integration by parts? Integration by parts is nothing but first function integration of second function, first function integration of second function minus integration of d by dx of first function and integration of second function. Is equals to two x is equals to 2x log x plus x. Here we get minus cos y plus y. Integration of cos y is sin y. Now minus integration of d by dy of y is 1 dot integration of cos y is sin y is equals to 2 times of, we apply integration by parts here also, we get, on applying the integration of parts here is, this term is equals to this term, here is no space, that's why I am writing here, 2 times of, on applying integration of parts on x log x, we get log is taken as first preference and algebraic function x is taken as second preference. So log is our first function, log x, integration of x minus integration of dy dx of first function and integration of second function plus integration of first x plus c is equals to minus cos y plus y sin y. On integrating sin y we get plus cos y is equals to 2 times, here this term, on opening the bracket we get 2 times of log x, integration of x is x square upon 2 minus differentiation of log x is 1 by x and integration of x is x square upon 2 plus, here integration of x is x square upon 2 plus c. We get minus cos y plus y sin y plus cos y is equals to 2 times of log x, x square upon 2. Here x becomes cancelled. We get minus x upon 2. 2 also comes outside, integration of x plus x square upon 2 plus c. We get minus cos y plus y sin y plus cos y is 2 times of log x dot x square upon 2 minus integration of x, here to this 2 and this 2 becomes cancelled. We get integration of x is x square upon 2 plus x square upon 2 plus c. This term cancelled on right hand side and this term becomes cancelled on left hand side. So the remaining term is y sin y is equals to 2 times of log x dot x square upon 2 plus c. This is the required solution. This 2 and this 2 also get cancelled. So the required solution is y sin y is equals to log x square plus c. This is our solution for the differential equation of first order. dy by dx is equals to x 2 times of log x plus 1 upon sin y plus y cos y. Now let us take another example. Now let us take another method, homogeneous differential equation. What is homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation of the form dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y upon phi of x comma y is called homogeneous equation if each term of f of x comma y and phi of x comma y is of same degree, since the degree of this and this are same. In such a case, we put y is equals to v of vx. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Working rule. Step first, put y is equals to vx so that dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Step second, then separate the variables. Third step, integrate on both sides. Fourth step, put v is equals to y by x and simplify. Let us take one example related to it. Solution. Since dy by dx, here we get this term, then finding the dy by dx of this term is equals to 3y square plus 2xy upon 2xy plus x square. Put y is equals to vx. We have taken y is equals to vx. On substituting y is equals to vx and differentiate y is equals to vx with respect to x on both sides, we get dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. On substituting the value of y is equals to vx in this equation, we get, since the value of dy by dx is this, take this as equation first, take this as equation second and this as first. Put dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx in equation first. Put equation second in equation first, we get v plus x dv by dx is equals to 3 and y is equals to vx. Put in equation first. Y is vx. Therefore, the required term we get is this. We take x here, in this term we can take x square as common and cancelled. Therefore, the remaining term we get is 3v square plus v 2v upon 2v plus 1 . Therefore, we have v plus x dv by dx is equals to 3v square plus 2v upon 2v plus 1. Take v on right hand side. We get the remaining, we take the LCM of this term, then we get minus v is multiplied by this term, we get 2v plus 1 upon 2v plus 1 is equals to x dv upon dx is equals to 3v square plus 2v minus, when v is multiplied this, we get minus 2v square minus v upon 2v plus 1. Therefore, x dv upon dx is equals to 3v square minus 2v square is v square and 2v minus v is v. Therefore, upon 2v is plus 1 we get. Now, separating the terms of v on left hand side and the terms of x on right hand side, we get 2v plus 1 upon v square minus v dv is equals to 1 upon x dx. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, we get integration of 2v plus 1 v square minus v dv is equals to integration of 1 by x dx. Now integrating this, we get log v square plus, here 2v minus v is plus v, sorry, here also comes plus, log v square plus v is equals to log x plus log c. Since we know that differentiation of this is 1 upon v square plus v and this is differentiation of v square plus v is 2v plus 1. Therefore, integration of this is this. On simplifying this, we get this term. Now, log v square plus v is equals to log m plus log n is equals to log mn. We get xc. Log on both sides becomes cancelled. Therefore, v square plus v is cx and the value of v is y by x. From this, put this in equation third, we get y by x whole square plus y by x is equals to c x. Taking LCM, y square upon x square plus y by x is equals to cx. Taking LCM, we get here y square plus yx is equals to, when x square of here is multiplied by this x, we get cx cube. Therefore, the final answer is y square plus yx is equals to cx cube. Here the solution of homogeneous differential equation of first order. In next session, I explained the linear differential equation, linear equation of first order and exact differential equation. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.